practice the black stick counter.
So you stick.
Yeah, first, stick first. Okay. So black, first black. Okay. Black with this, go in with this. Black. Look at the way I black it. How close it is. Not too far. Not too close. Just like that one. As soon as I come in, my hand is there right away. As soon as I put this one in, and then I check that one in, I slap right over there. Alright?
Yeah, I felt the wind.
I stop right over there. But when I slap there, I need to stop. You know, not directly going closer to.
I'm not fast enough.
Yeah.
I don't want to get hit.
But still, you're not going to hit it if you know how to control how you slap. You know, just bait. This is the game of baiting for indeed that you want to. Yeah, you understand that.
He's telling me that I'm baiting him.
So let's bait that one in, just like that. So for number 2, same thing. You block with. Look at this. When I block, I don't want to block it here because it's too close to the punyong. So when I block this one in, and look at that right with it. I tap, just like that. Okay, so okay, number 1, I bait when I put that one in. Number 2, I just like that. You're just tapping just like that. Smaller. Minsan mo not that too far. Oh. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Make it small. Make that small. See? When I block this one, make it smaller. Okay. Instead of making it so wide like that one there, it's too wide. So when you make it tight, it's too close. Sometimes it's so difficult to catch or to block. That's the essence of the technique there. Just like when somebody try to grab you, that's the general purpose is right over there. You know, it's harder to block or to count. So we have done this. Now we parry now the hand. Okay? Did you guys be able to parry the hand? Did you?
We've done this before.
We've done this before. Just push this one out, and when you pull up this, as soon as you push this one in, push it going this. Don't push it going there, just like that, because he's going there. Once bring him back. Once you pop this one in, so that this could come in. The hand is.
Oh, okay.
The hand is closer because if it's too. It's down like that one. You need to do something else. So look at this. When I give this one in, my hand is already there, closer. And I don't even tend to move too much then. I let him move with it, and then I'll just swing going here and then going that way. But the way I do
Pivot it out, I pivot it in.
see here?
You do that?
I'll do the
Swing
other way
this
when
one
I
in. Swing it first. As soon as this comes in, swing it, and then I look at this one. I'm not inserting too much effort.
Right.
You know, instead of the old one we used to do, we're doing this right away there.
So if I'm pulling you,
When I move here, look at this.
Right.
Then look at that.
and look at where the stick is.
Right on the back.
Yeah.
See, one from here. I'm sent to this. I move with this one. I don't really can almost to hook most of it. Oh,
I just do this here. And it doesn't hurt as much as if I do that.
when I do this now, elbow is going now into the back before I go down. Then I move this, look at body. Grab it, as soon as you move it, then
Strike you with his elbow, he would
I grab one. Okay, again, one from here. This I don't do that too much now because it will be too painful.
especially repetition.
Yes. When you do this, instead of doing this, when you do this here, up there, look at what happens.
Okay, keep it close
Keep it closer. Because if you leave it too far, what will happen? Back to this. Literally push this.
Actually, he had the airborne almost.
yeah.
And
When you do this, I'm doing this right away. You see the way I do it.
the elbow.
The elbow there, but I try to clinch the elbow so that it doesn't go on. Yeah.
I ducked it down,
Yeah.
I could still feel it
Yeah.
past my ear.
From here, slow. When as soon as I pull this right away, I don't even need to raise this one up. I want him to go now. I want him now to go to my elbow. He's just saying this. Go to Papa.
But notice he's not rising too
Yeah.
much.
Not too much. Not
If
too
he
much.
rises too much, I can
You-
push him away.
Yeah. Okay. So from here to here. See, when you move this now, the tendency is this goes down because the momentum is going, and then it's, that's about it. One, push. This. Okay, we don't need to do the rolling anymore. Just concentrate on this one. Pin going down, and then this goes,
The elbow's right.
The elbow's right. See, from here. But don't make this one. Okay. And then what you do is, instead of lowering it here, instead of keep lowering it, make it up.
Okay.
Make it up just like this. Okay. Because once you lower this, you need to make adjustment. But once this is just like here, when you push this, that's harder to block. Because now here you are at the middle. Just see it, just roll, see? Just like that. Because once you roll this, tendency is bend over.
Yeah, and the only reason I let go is because he paused in the middle there.
Yeah.
Otherwise, my hand seizes.
Usually I do that at the middle. I try to pose so that at least I'll give the other person I'm working with so that at least he can relax. Because if I do it so fast, like that one, you're going to get hit every time I do that. That's why. That's why she's been coming with me for the past 22 years.
He gave me a black eye once.
But he doesn't complain that every weekend he got hurt so much.
On Thursday, he does the super.
I get to beat up everybody else.
But not on Saturday.
Well, except when you're not here, he beats everybody else. He's a bully. He's a big bully.
But I can take it too.
Okay. Yeah, see that the technique there is just like when somebody approaches you and doing like that. Same thing. Only you can do this only one hand. See from here. Same thing. From here. Okay. Instead of doing this, what we do now is this. Okay. Grab this. Don't grab it here.
Still the balance.
It's still a balance. It's still push this and then it goes out. Okay? Yeah. So let's try that. Yeah.
And that takes you into boxing practice.
Yeah. Yeah. See? And if you got hit with this one, especially there's a brace at the back of it. Oh gosh, you'll be on the floor. Yeah.
If it's short, you can hit it with the elbow. If I'm a little bit long, you can punch with
Yeah.
the fist or the side of the hand.
But if you brace this, and you will come on this one, come to Papa. Like that one.
Can you say that? You say that?
Yeah, come to Papa.
I should be saying that. You guys are youngsters.
See? There you go. Now pull it a little bit.
Is it harder?
Not harder, but closer, and then just relax it.
When you pull it, you pull the hand close to your body? I'm just saying, what do you do with the
I
hand?
pull this one in. Just
Oh, you just pull it down.
pull it down. Don't pull it going this way because if you pull it this way, see what happened?
All right.
See?
He's in the way.
Yeah, but if you pull it going down there, if you pull it then you can adjust.
Okay.
Here is this one.
Keep that stretch.
Okay, stretch. If you just pull this one doing like this one there, look at what happened there. Here, move this, and look at the way I do it. I move this, look at this right away. Okay. Right. practice with this, doing like this. Yeah, see? From here, we have done this one. Okay. From here now. Okay. From here, as soon as you open that one, just grab this. Okay. What I'm doing is, I'm pushing this one out, and as soon as I push this, I grab it with the other hand, and then I just grab this, and then at the middle of it, and just pin that way. It's very, very painful, but I try to relax my hand. Right? Because if you don't relax your hand, you will hurt somebody. Yeah. So from here, just push it that one out. If the hand is open, if the hand is open.
So you open it.
Yeah, you don't need to open.
If it's closed,
If it's closed, then
Right, but if you pull it, it's gonna open.
from here now, same thing, same principle. Okay. So push this one in, and then so that it's easy for you to grab.
which one is doing it? Is pulling up, curling in, and
Just like this, just stay on this position. That's it. See, don't pull. Just doing that one. I'm just like opening a doorknob. When you open that one in, you're opening just like this. Okay. So you grab it. So you grab this one in. When you grab this one in, don't intercept it here. Just doing this because this will be. Yeah. So what I do is, same principle is, I have to unbalance it all the way in, as I push this. It's easy for me, and then as soon as I pull that one in on that side, and then I have to move back, move forward.
And now you just walk along, and you walk down.
Yeah.
if it's not working, you have other
Yeah.
things available. You can do the hammer lock,
Yeah, but
shove me around.
yeah, but if the person is too strong, just imagine I'm fighting about two guys. More on this one. Look here. Then move on the side. Okay. Here.
See what he's doing? He's curling in there, but he's also collapsing me over here.
Yes, it. I want first him to collapse, because if I don't collapse it, it will work. It will not work. So
I'll
see,
stretch
there
out.
away. So when I collapse this right away, and then I have to do it. See here, I brace this one right away, because once you pull this one, you will not be able to pull it out. You should have commitment already. If you don't have any
He's
commitment,
feeding it in.
yeah, if you don't have commitment, you would lose this. What I do is, I let him go down. Okay? I want him to go down. And look at there, how tight the thing is. Then adjust it now at the center.
No, no, I
Yes.
see.
And if I want to, I can just grab this at the same time.
What do you do to your kids? What would you do there?
When you do this, this is not enough. You need to use this one
Now I can't do that.
as a backup, so that two hands are better than one when you do this.
Yeah, and your hand didn't do anything else anyway. May as
And
well
then if
just
he's standing up like just like this, I'll go with it a little bit. So I want him to bend
collapse.
over and close to me, collapse, just like that there. Because you know you can take him just like that, but when you move that, make sure that you're applying here. When I move this, look at this right away, and then I move it there, and then I move it there. I don't give him the chance to
Be on balance.
move out today.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming today.